Hello students, a very warm morning to all of you. Students of class first, dears, how are you all? I think all are doing well. Students, so as you all know, we are having the revision work, okay? And I hope students, you all are having your exam very nicely. Yes. And now today is your 9th of December. So whatever today's exam you have according to your timetable, you may have complete that one, okay? And after that, on tomorrow, you will have to come with your answer sheets, okay? Then you will get the remaining question paper for your test. Clear? Okay. So students, still we are doing the revision work, and yesterday we have revised about the chapters, some chapters. Insects were there and so many chapters were there for revision. So today I am here with the next revision chapter, which is you have page number 32 and chapter is also 32, and this chapter is about the flowers. Okay, flowers. Students, it's very important chapter because you can get the exercises from the chapter, means explain about 4 types of 5 types of flowers, write the name of flowers. So you will have to learn this flowers name well. ठीक है, फ्लावर्स के नेम भी लर्न कर लीजिएगा एंड फ्लावर्स की पिक्चर्स भी आपको ड्रॉ करने को आ सकती है, तो आप लोग उसको होम पे प्रैक्टिस भी कीजिएगा. क्लियर? सो स्टार्ट नाउ. राइट द नेम ऑफ ईच फ्लावर. स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव सम फ्लावर्स पिक्चर्स, देन वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस फ्लावर्स नेम below to each flower. Take help from the clues given in the box, and for this you have a box, help box, by which you can complete this exercise. So first of all, let's come to see and read. चलिए पहले देखते हैं कौन कौन से फ्लावर्स के नेम है. फर्स्ट यू हैव मैरीगोल्ड, second is that, second you have lily, third lavender, next hibiscus, next lotus, next jasmine, next rose, orchid and daisy. So these are your different types of flowers, and then we will have the pictures. Okay students, are you ready with me? Okay, so first of all, there is a first picture in the first one. So what type of flower is this? Can you guess? किस तरह की फ्लावर है ये? Have you seen rose? Rose flower देखा आप लोगों ने? Yes, it looking like that ना? Not looking like. Yes, it's a rose. Rose flower. ठीक है? स्पेलिंग क्या होगी इसकी? ROSE, rose. It's the first type of flower. Clear? Next we have jasmine. Next flower, jasmine. देखा आप लोगों ने jasmine flower? Do you like to plant? Yes, it's a jasmine flower, different types of flower, and it also looks very beautiful. You will have this in white color or pink color, okay? That looks very beautiful. So spelling of jasmine, JASMINE, jasmine. Clear? First is about rose, second is about jasmine. Come on the third one. थर्ड देखिए कौन सी फ्लावर है ये? Tell me. I think you all like to draw. You all like to draw and you all like too much to this flower. Am I right? Yes. And it is also our national flower. What is that? Lotus. ठीक है? Lotus है ना? इस देखिए lotus. Students, you will have the different colors of this lotus. Sometimes you will have white, sometimes you will have pink. Okay? Spelling LOTUS. So it's also a type of flower. Now we have got 3 types of flower, and next is that, which you can see in this picture. It's just looking like the different one. Okay, so first of all we are having the petals, white petals there, flowers, leaves आप जिसको कह सकते हैं, and in the middle portion there are some seeds of this flower, and it is called daisy flower. कौन सी फ्लावर है ये? डेजी। स्पेलिंग क्या है? DAISY, डेजी। सो वी गॉट 4 टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लावर। फर्स्ट रोज, सेकेंड जैस्मिन, थर्ड लोटस, नेक्स्ट डेजी। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेन्स, it's also looking very different and very pretty also, and it is called the orchid flower। देखिए इसकी जो लीव्स हैं और इसकी यहाँ पे जो लीव्स हैं, इसके जो पेटल्स हैं, देखिए orchid, ORCHID, orchid flower। and next which also you like most, it's called lily। देखिए यहाँ पे जो फ्लावर है ना, इनके इनसाइड में देखिए, इनके इनसाइड में देखिए कुछ फ्लावर्स बने हुए हैं। ओके, एंड इट्स कॉल्ड लिली, LILY, लिली फ्लावर। नाउ स्टिल वी गॉट 4 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज दैट, नेक्स्ट आपका है मैरीगोल्ड। यस, मैरीगोल्ड, इट्स इन वेरी डिफरेंट एंड ब्यूटीफुल कलर। ठीक है, देखिए इसकी जो लीव्स हैं, that's very short, very small। okay students, it's called marigold, MARIGOLD, marigold। next is that, next flower is hibiscus। so spelling of this flower is HIBISCUS, hibiscus। okay, hibiscus flower। next one is this also a flower, and I think you all have seen this flower, and this flower is called lavender। so यहाँ पे देखिए आप, इसकी जो लीव्स हैं, इसकी जो लीव्स यहाँ पे हैं, and with this flower is also looking in blue color, a purple color। it's also very beautiful flower। okay students, lavender spelling LAVENDER, lavender flower। so spelling of this done। now we have read about the 9 different flowers। okay, first rose, second jasmine, third lotus, next daisy, next orchid, next you have lily। यहाँ देखिए next flower is lily, marigold, hibiscus and lavender। okay, so these are the different flowers with the different structure, figure। okay students, it's very important chapter as well as I inform you। so let's start to revise and learn these flowers name with their spelling। okay, and try to do practice at home। okay, to write the correct spelling of these flowers name without getting your book, or without taking help of your book। क्लियर कर लेंगे सब लोग प्रिपेयर। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर दिस हाउ मच चैप्टर्स वर देयर इन योर सिलेबस? सिलेबस सबको पता है ना, मैंने बताया सबको सिलेबस कितने चैप्टर्स हैं? टेल मी। यस, आपका जो चैप्टर है वो क्या है? चैप्टर 23 to 34। means after 32, 33 and 34 are remain to revise, which we will do the next day। okay, so do your work students, and now once again best of luck for your today's exam। so thank you so much students। now thank you, have a nice day।